It's good to be back. In fact, this time I wanted to go ahead and spend some time on how do you make a kindergarten framework become an adult framework. I'm sure each one of you is aware of this kindergarten framework called SWOT: strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats. The fact is, how do you extend it in such a way that it helps people to think better? We could do this by the addition of one additional word. So when you think about strengths, think about what are under leveraged strengths. When you think about weaknesses, think about what are the under addressed weaknesses or unaddressed weaknesses. When you think about opportunities, think about underexploited opportunities. And when you think about threats, think about what are the underappreciated threats. So the moment you go ahead and add these adjectives behind strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, you will find that people think even deeper, they go beyond the superficial, and you get to insights faster on how you could grow your business even better. I would encourage you to go ahead and use this framework, use it within your organization liberally, do it as a team, and be surprised about the results. I look forward to hearing from you on your success on making a kindergarten framework give you adult results. Thank you.